So last working set na tayo for leg day, sir. Same yung kanina, 'di ba? Neutral lang. Ngayon, mag-widen tayo. So recruiting more inner thigh. Okay? Adductors natin. So from your set stance, really wide heel toe out. Tapos kabilang konti din. Okay? Now, toes more pointed out. Okay? So kung kaya harap siya sa side, better. Pero slightly forward for more stability. Okay? Parang angle natin is 45 degrees. So check. Ganyan siya. Pwedeng open sa side kung kakayanin. Kung kaya ng hip mobility natin. Pero para mas safe, dito muna tayo. Okay? So, eventually, mag-open din na to. So same. Hawak natin dito. Lapit sa chest. Then, feet wide. And then, knees tracing out. So, knees palabas. Inhale. Exhale. Again, push through your toes. Grip sa floor. Okay? Dito hindi tayo magtitiptoe. Keep it flat. Inhale. Exhale up. So, inhale. Feel the stretch sa inner thigh. And then, exhale. Through your glutes, squeeze. And then, inner thigh. Pakita natin yung profile. Hindi tayo masyado magli-lean back. Okay? Walang leaning motion. Keep your shoulders back. Slide back. Abs brace. Up. So, inhale, inhale, inhale. Exhale. So, 10 repetitions again. And 4 sets. Okay po? So, ayun yung last working set natin para sa legs.